Hello, I'm going to try to fix this aftermarket mirror for the XF650 because as you can see it's too loose. The upper joint is too loose and the wing changes its position. Now, I don't know why they designed it like this without letting you tighten this joint. You don't have any access. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a rotary tool and I'm going to cut access to the nut inside so I can tighten it. So safety first. This is the first time I'm using dust mask and safety goggles. So let's start. And you're also going to need gloves. 1 and 2. Let's put it over here. I'm going to cut it like this, and I would film you the end. So here is the cut that I did. Let's see what's underneath. And of course there is a nut inside. Why they didn't allow an access to it? Anyway, let's see what size it is. Let's see, maybe I had to cut it over here, but I can extend the cut, or I can try to reach it from here. But this part is straight and this and flat, and here it's round, so it's better to do it here. So let's try to tighten it. Okay, so I was able to reach with an 8mm wrench to the nut and tighten it, but I suggest you to cut the hole closer to the joint. It will be easier. And now it's strong enough. Now I'm going to use to set it back. What should I use to do it? I'm going to put a hot glue around it to tighten it. And I can then paint it maybe. We'll see. And this I should grind. Just peel it off. Okay, that's all. Thanks.